Hello students, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to start the second part of our quiz in which we are going to solve some more questions of chapter 1 exercise Introduction to Bookkeeping and Accountancy. Let's start with question number 1, and yes, you can get variety of questions today. Second thing, you have to be prompt to answer, be quick to answer in the comment section. Be ready for that, and your first question is in front of you. Dash means a reputation of business valued in terms of money. A. Trademark, B. Assets, C. Patents, and D. Goodwill. Your time starts now. Here is also a keyword, that is reputation. You can correlate the things easily. Very good. Nice. And of course, the correct answer is D. Goodwill. According to Dash, cash flow statement is prepared and presented for the period for which profit and loss account is prepared. Okay. See, we have studied some accounting standards, and as I promised in your live lecture that we will discuss about the accounting standards which will be given in the exercise. So we have already discussed this accounting standard. You have to identify which one is this, and your time starts now. Good, you got enough time to think about it. Still, many of you cannot answer it correctly. It's okay. You will have to learn the names of accounting standards. Let's see. The correct answer is Accounting Standard 3. Accounting Standard 3 tells about cash flow statement. Okay, so variety of question changes here, and now you have to answer whether the following statements are true or false. See, with reason I have written here, but here you will have to say true or false only. Reason I am going to explain you along with the question. Okay, so let's start. And the first question is, bookkeeping and accountancy are one and the same thing. Tell me whether it is true or false. Your time starts now. Okay, very nice. तुक्का नहीं लगाना है बेटा. Good. Okay, very nice. Correct answer is false. Bookkeeping and accountancy are not one and the same thing because bookkeeping includes recording and classification of transactions. Whereas in accounting, it both these things are included. Along with that, what else we do? Summarization and interpretation of result is done. Okay, so there is a difference between bookkeeping and accountancy. Later you can watch the video again and note down the reasons for the true or false. Conservatism means to follow safe side, whether it is true or false. Take your time to think about it. So it is true. Why it is true? Because conservatism concept says that we should record the anticipated losses, but we should not record the anticipated profits. Therefore, it tells us to be on safe side. नुकसान होने वाला है, पहले से उसको आप उसके लिए प्रोविजन करके रखिए, लेकिन अगर कोई प्रॉफिट होने वाला है तो जब तक वो 100% कंफर्म ना हो जाए उसे रिकॉर्ड नहीं करना है. That's what it is saying. Question number 3. The double entry system is based on dual aspect concept. True or false? Okay, so you people are taking the correct words. Very nice. Properly connect करेंगे तो answer of course correct आएगा. Correct answer is true. Why? See, double entry means dual aspect. हमने ये कई बार पढ़ा है कि डबल एंट्री सिस्टम जो है वो डुअल एस्पेक्ट पर काम करती है. यहाँ पर दो साइड्स होती है, डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट, और हमें हमेशा उन दोनों को बैलेंस करके चलना होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट इन इज एन असेट ऑफ द बिजनेस. ट्रू और फॉल्स? इसके लिए आपको बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट का मीनिंग पता होना बहुत जरूरी है. हमने बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट कई बार डिस्कस किया है. वो हमारे बिजनेस की असेट है या नहीं. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज फॉल्स. क्यों? बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट का मतलब होता है ये, दिस इज अ शॉर्ट टर्म लोन. This is a short-term loan which we have to repay in a specific time. And if we have to pay something to someone, then it will be our liability, not our asset. Okay. Next question. Solvent person is a person whose asset are more than his liabilities. True or false? इसका reason आप जानते हैं already. लिख सकते हैं. हाँ, इसका आंसर करेक्ट आना चाहिए. ये हम पिछले वीडियो में भी सॉल्व कर चुके हैं. वेरी नाइस. थोड़ा पेशेंटली आंसर कीजिए तो करेक्ट आएगा. एंड द आंसर इज ट्रू. अ पर्सन हुज assets are more than his liability is a solvent person. Question number 6. Cash discount. Question number 6. Cash discount does not appear in the books of accounts. True or false? ये हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है. आप लोगों ने अगर रिवीजन किया है तो आपको जरूर याद होगा. Cash discount. It is given while making the payment. Does not appear लिखा है बेटा. The correct answer is false. Trade discount does not appear in the books of accounts, but cash discount appears in the books of accounts. Next, a transaction is concerned with money or money's worth. True or false? In true false you are getting sufficient time. आपको दोनों में से कुछ एक ही चूज करना है. कम ऑन. ट्रांजेक्शन या तो मनी से रिलेटेड होना चाहिए या उसकी पैसों में कोई कीमत होनी चाहिए. सही है या गलत? वेरी गुड. ओके. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ट्रू. राइट. नेक्स्ट, अकाउंटिंग इज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ बिजनेस. अकाउंटिंग बिजनेस की लैंग्वेज है. ट्रू और फॉल्स? एंड योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. कुछ क्वेश्चंस अगर आपने बुक पढ़ी होगी तो आंसर करना आसान हो जाता है. दिस इज वन ऑफ देम. And your time ends here. Correct answer is true. Accounting is language of business because you can understand any business with the help of its accounts. Okay. Question number 9. In earlier times of civilization, accounting was done by owners. True or false? ये भी आपने अगर बुक में पढ़ा होगा तो ये पॉइंट दिया हुआ है थियरी में. इस पर गेसिंग गेम चल रहा है. I don't think you have enough information. And the answer is false. In old civilization, in old timings, अगर आप देखेंगे तो जो kings होते थे, rulers होते थे, they had their own accountants, and even the businessman also had their own accountants. Next, bookkeeping is useful to find out all tax liabilities. True or false? Common sense का question है. कॉमन सेंस शो कर रहे हैं आप लोग बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह. वेरी नाइस, गुड. वाज अ इजी क्वेश्चन. True is the correct answer. Okay. Now, thank you so much for enjoying this quiz. We have one more part of this quiz. I have made them short so that you can think properly about everything. In next video, we are going to discuss some more question, and that will be the last video. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe my videos, and be happy. Thank you so much.